Hey guys, Kit here from KegLand, and today we're actually talking about an outdoor camping fire which we've made completely out of stainless steel. Because we've got a substantial amount of manufacturing equipment now and a large site where we do a lot of other stainless steel processing, it made sense for us to also get into a few other areas and manufacture stuff other than our standard beer brewing and keg dispensing hardware, which appealed to that similar type of customer base. Now, I don't know about you guys, but definitely all the staff in our office love getting into the great outdoors, love camping and just getting out to nature, generally speaking, and drinking beers around a fire. I mean, what could be better? So this is the first of this type of camp oven that we've made. Basically, it's got this surface on top of the campfire which you can put pots and stuff like that and cook on. For slightly higher or faster cooking speeds, you can actually remove this lid here and put your pot directly on there, so you're getting flame contact with the bottom of the pot. But in reality, it already cooks quite fast as it is. You can put a frying pan on there or something like that. The other nice addition to this, and it's sold separately, is this chimney oven. So if you guys want to be able to cook stuff like a pie or something else in an oven, you can get this add-on attachment and literally just open up the door, drop your oven stuff in there that you want to cook, and then close it back up. So a great way to do meat or pastries or anything else when you're outdoors camping. Now, this handy little unit will pack neatly inside the nylon carry bag which comes included. The legs simply fold up underneath the unit, and all the chimney and the other accessories will fit inside the oven to pack this unit away. One nice thing about this campfire is the really long chimney. As you can see, this chimney is quite tall, so the smoke is exiting at quite a high distance at about 2.5 meters off the ground, meaning that smoke is not going to be copping you in the eyes. The other thing is it draws pretty well when you have a long chimney, and it also is a good place to attach guy ropes. You'll see on the top of the chimney you've got guy rope loops up there, so if you're setting up camping for a while and you don't want to accidentally knock this over being so tall, it's a good idea to run some guy ropes into the ground and peg them in. Now, if you need to adjust how much the fire is burning, you've got two levels of control. You've got this little lever here, so when it's facing downwards like that, that'll allow the maximum amount of airflow through the chimney and also through the chimney oven, meaning you're going to get a hotter oven. The other thing you can do is on the inlet side, you can basically turn this guy here, and then you can reduce the flow of air into the front fireplace or completely open it like that, which will allow more air through, and therefore the fire will get hotter. Now, another handy little accessory is the chimney boiler. The chimney boiler is a great way to have hot water when you're out camping, and it's also made out of stainless steel, just like everything else, so it's not going to corrode out even if you're using it near the beach or anything like that. So this just goes straight up against the chimney like that, and a little clip on the rear side of this unit will just secure it in place so it doesn't fall over. Now, naturally, you probably want to have the tap overhanging either side, or I prefer it around the back of the unit like that. So if I need to open it up, just pop it open, and I've got 3 liters of hot water ready to go at any time. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy using our outdoor wood burning stove and enjoy using these accessories that we got coming out with it. If you want to hear about any other cool stuff, definitely subscribe now. Bottom right hand corner, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Facebook homebrew community group. And if you've got any other requests in other stainless steel you want us to make, certainly just put them in the comments below and we'll jump onto it and make them for you if we get enough comments from you. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.